Let us learn the graph of linear polynomial today. The graph of linear polynomial. Let us consider a linear polynomial y is equals to 2x plus 3. I am taking a linear polynomial y is equals to 2x plus 3. So here there are two steps to find the graph of linear polynomial. In the step 1, we need to find the coordinates first. We need to find the coordinates in the first step. Then next, whatever the coordinates we have found, that should be drawn in the graph. Okay, using a suitable scale. Let us find out the coordinates of the polynomial first. Actually, here we need to take just 2 points. Actually, only 2 points are enough, because to draw a straight line, a linear polynomial graph is always a straight line. A linear polynomial graph is always a straight line. To draw a straight line, we need at least 2 points. So, for instance, I am taking one more point extra. If you consider the x value as 0 here, in place of x, if you consider the value of x as 0, then 2 into 0 will become 0 plus 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So y value is 3 when x is equals to 0. When x is equals to 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the y value will become 5 when x is equals to 1. Let us take x is equals to some 2. When x is equals to 2, the 2 into x value, 2 into 2, it will become 4. 2 to the 4 plus 3 will become 7. So y value will become 7 when x is equals to 2. So these are the coordinates 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7. So these coordinates, if you substitute in place of in the coordinate axis, you may get a graph. So let us draw the graph of the linear polynomial. I am taking some values on x-axis and also some values on y-axis. So the highest value of y is 7. So I took up to 7. Okay, take some up to 8. Here x values I have taken only 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. X values I have taken only 0, 1, 2. So I have taken some more values. So now let us locate the points on the graph. 0, 3. 0 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. Here this is 0, 3. So the point on y-axis always have x value 0. So this is 0, 3. Next 1, 5. So 1, 5 is here. 1 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. And next 2, 7. So in the graph sheet, when you are drawing on the graph sheet, you may get exact accurate values. This is 2, 7. This is 0, 3. And this is 1, 5. Using a scale, if you join the 3 points, you may get a straight line like this. So this is the graph of the linear polynomial. Here, try to do yourself some problems. Y is equals to x plus 2. Y is equals to 5x minus 1. X is equals to 3x plus 5. So the last one, you need to find the value of y here, then you need to write the coordinates and graph. So I hope you can do it. If you have any doubts, you can comment.